Good evening, teacher. My name is Juan Pablo Guaman. I am going to read and answer some questions. Number 1. What will you do if you win the lottery? I would buy a house. Number 2. If you have COVID-19, what will you do? I will take medicine. Number 3. What will you buy if you go to the jewelry store? A necklace. Number 4. If you eat fast food every day, what will happen? I would gain weight. Number 5. What will you do if it is your mother's birthday? I give her a point. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class.